Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is how I made this knotless braid without using frontal, and I used the Dalek Superstar in color purple. I used 2 packs of braiding hair and I got to cut this hair into 3. I used a wig dome cap, a frontal net which I got from my beauty supply store. So guys, I've already braided most parts of the hair, so you just want to go ahead and braid the wig just like so. And I have loads of tutorials whereby I have braided wigs. I'm going to be linking them down, so in case you watch this one and you still want to go ahead to watch other ones. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button, give the video thumbs up, drop comments if you have any questions. So because I didn't want this video to be so long, so I had to make this video into 2 parts. So for ventilating of the frontal, I already have this on my channel. I'll be linking that down, so you could go ahead and watch that if you want to know how I ventilated the frontal and how I laid, you know, the lace nets on the frontal. So you just want to go ahead now to lose a part of the frontal, the one you want to braid on, and then I'll be going in with my shine and jam just to put the braiding hair together, and then I'll begin to do knotless braids. So to do knotless braids, the first thing you want to do is to braid the braiding hair first, maybe once or twice, and then you take the braiding hair in small parts and you begin to attach it under, just like what I'm doing. And then depending on the size of the braids, if you want the braids bigger, you add more braiding hair to it. But if it's this size that I'm going for, 1 to 2 braiding hair is fine for you to add to it. So you guys should just keep watching and see what I'm doing. But if you haven't still subscribed to the channel or given this video thumbs up, please go ahead to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to drop your comments down below, cause I would be able to know, okay, you guys love my content.
So
So guys, after braiding the hair, you want to go ahead to trim the excess flyovers, and when doing that you have to be really careful. Then after that, you put the hair in hot water. When you're putting the wig in hot water, make sure your wig is straight, because if it's not straight, it's going to change the pattern of the wig and make it a little bit coily. So this is it guys for this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for liking, for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.